How to get rock hard erections. As a man, we love being hard. One thing that can ruin our day is not being able to get rock hard erections. Having a rock hard erection is more than just for sex. Your rock hard erection tells your girl and yourself much more than that. It shows that you're a man. That you are healthy and can get the job done. If you have a limp dick, don't worry. You see, I used to suffer from not being able to have a hard erection. Instead of enjoying the moment, all I wanted was to get it up. Once I was able to get it up, my anxiety then switched to keeping it hard. After putting up with this for several years, I decided to fix it. No longer was I going to allow for my dick to cause me anxiety. I was tired of feeling anxious every time I was about to have sex. I had already taken control of other areas of my life and was now determined to take control of this one. Smoking is terrible for you, and I don't have to tell you why. Their third point was to stop snoring. That's great and everything, but how the hell is that going to help me have a better erection? After hundreds of hours of studying and taking action, I finally cracked the boner code. I went from being anxious to being excited to have sex. Those moments of pure fear about not being able to keep a strong hardon are now gone. As you take action on this article, the same will happen for you. You're probably thinking that I'm going to tell you about some erection pill or some other common thing that everybody else uses. But guess what? I haven't personally popped any pills that have worked. You can call it being natural or whatever you want to. I'm just here to show you what actually works. How to get rock hard erections. Take care of yourself. As a man, it is up to you to take care of yourself. You may have been taught to be rugged and not think much about your health. Those days are gone. If you choose to follow that mindset, then you deserve to have a limp dick and a beer gut by 26. However, you obviously care about your health, so I'll lay out what I did. Workout: you should be hitting the weights 6 days a week. Find a workout routine that works best for you and then go from there. Once you start working out, your testosterone levels will increase, and your blood flow will improve. Better blood flow means better erections. Deadlifts are your new best friend. Eat well. If you aren't eating well, not only will you be unhealthy, but you won't be able to perform well in bed. In my case, I only eat protein throughout the day. This allows me to have high energy and a clear mind. Later in the day, after my work has been done, I'll eat my carbs. My friend, on the other hand, will feel sluggish unless he eats carbs in the morning. The key to eating well is to find what works best for you. Some foods may work better for you than others. Here is a framework to build from. Lean meat: beef, chicken, turkey. Little processed food. No soda. 1 gallon of water a day. Fruits/vegetables: broccoli is my personal favorite. Supplements: when it comes to supplements, I recommend you aim for the ones that increase your testosterone. As of writing this, I am just taking RED-PCT. I don't take many supplements because I honestly don't trust most of the supplement companies out there. After you have improved your testosterone levels, let's attack stress. Stress is a dick killer and dream stealer. You'll learn how to best deal with stress as you go. For me, hitting the weights and engaging my mind keeps stress at bay. Start engaging your mind and body and then take Ashwagandha. Ashwagandha not only helps lower your stress levels, but you'll also get the best sleep that you've ever had. An added dick booster is Maca powder and Beet Powder. They both help your sexual health and all around make you feel great. Beet powder is my favorite though. Beets are high in nitrates, which not only lowers your blood pressure but also enhances your blood flow. I noticed a difference within the first week. My dick was harder, and I felt mild euphoria after drinking my shake. Take control of your sexual desire. Most people don't think much of their sexual desire. They get the desire and they either rub one out or they have sex. That's good and all, but don't be like most people. Instead, learn how to properly masturbate and transmute your sexual energy. As a man, the creative energy that you have stored within you can create life. If you're having trouble getting it up or keeping it rock solid, chances are you do what most do. You bust a nut onto a napkin and then go about your business. Masturbation trains your dick to not come out in its full glory. Instead of being hard as a diamond, you train it to be limp and still reach orgasm. Do yourself a favor and stop making your erections worse with beating off. If you masturbate more than twice a week, I recommend you learn how to masturbate properly. This will be a game changer for you. As you know, I don't like popping pills to get my dick up. I wanted to stay erect longer without pills. I wanted erections stronger than steel. Using the bathmate, I've not only added length to my dick, but I've also improved the quality of my overall erections. Basically, with the bathmate you bring blood into your erect penis. This not only improves circulation but also stretches your penis. Getting healthier, learning how to masturbate, and using the bathmate will change your dick game.